So, okay, this perfect day. How much caffeine are you consuming in this day?
Man, too much, right? Because normally like two cups of coffee, but on this perfect day, like we go to like 4 maybe. So we're starting to hit like the anxiety levels.
So 4 cups is a lot for
But,
you.
well, I think my coffees are quite strong when I make them. It's like 20 grams of coffee powder in the V60. So like my friends call them like nuclear coffee because it's quite heavy.
Super
so
strong.
it's quite strong. But it's nice to hit that anxiety level where you're like almost panic attack, but you're not there yet. So, but that's like, man, it's like super locked in, just like it's amazing. But I mean, there's a space for that, in my life. But it's I think it's great for making new stuff. It's amazing.
Starting from scratch, creating a new thing.
Yes, I think girlfriends should let their guys go away for like 2 weeks, every year at least, maybe every quarter, I don't know, and just sit and make some shit without, they're amazing, but like no disturbances, just be alone, and then people can make something very, very amazing.
Just wearing cowboy hats in the mountains like we showed.
Exactly,
before.
we can do that.
There's a movie about that.
With the laptops.
They didn't do much programming though.
Yeah, you can do a little bit of that.
Okay.
And then a little bit of shipping, do both.
It's a different.
But they need to allow us to go, You need like a man cave, right?
Yeah, to ship.
Yeah, to ship.
Get shit done. Yeah, it's a balance. Okay, cool.